Today, I'm diving into something that might seem small, but can totally change your streaming experience. How to change the video quality on Disney Plus, whether you're binge-watching The Mandalorian for the thousandth time or reliving the magic of The Lion King. You'll want the best picture quality possible. But hey, you might just need to conserve some data. So, let's get cracking. Ready to get started? Let's go! First up, grab your device and open the Disney Plus app. If you're watching on a smart TV, tablet, or even your phone, don't worry, I'll cover them all. Now locate your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner, looking all cute and cozy. Tap on that like it's a hidden treasure chest waiting to unleash a world of magic. Great! Now you're in the world of settings. Who knew settings could be this exciting, right? You should see a bunch of options pop up. Look for app settings. It's like the secret door to your streaming adventures. Alright, now that we're inside the magical realm of app settings, it's time to adjust our video quality and take our binge watching to the next level. Scroll down until you find video quality. You see it? Here we go. Now, you'll notice 3 options here: high, medium, and standard. Let's break these down so you know what to pick. Choosing high gives you the absolute best viewing experience. Perfect for those epic space battles or heart-wrenching Disney moments. This is your go-to if you're connected to Wi-Fi and can spare the data. But if you're on the go or using mobile data, the medium quality strikes a nice balance. You'll still see all the action without worrying the signal will drop. And lastly, standard is your safety net. It uses the least data, great if you're trying to stream while traveling, but I won't judge if you're saving data while holding onto that endless desire for cat videos instead. And just like that, you've leveled up your Disney Plus experience. It's as easy as clicking a button. No wizardry required. Just remember, select high for home marathons, medium for your mobile escapes, and standard when data conservation is key. Now, if you found this super helpful or entertaining, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more magical tips and tricks from the world of streaming. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite Disney Plus shows or movies. I want to hear them. Until next time, may your Disney dreams be dazzling. Bye.